Hello everyone, in this video I will solve some of the questions from NJSLA release items. NJSLA is an examination which is held in New Jersey every year in May. So New Jersey Student Learning Assessment. So one of the main chapter of NJSLA examination is operations on polynomials. And one of the examples is here. Let's get started. As we see in the answer, we need to just fill in these boxes, as these boxes are in front of the expressions, which means that we need to find the numbers in front of these expressions. But when I look at the original question, I don't see any a square, any b square here, or any ab, and single a and b's are there. But there are some parentheses and there is some expression in front of them, as negative 3a is in front of this, so it means that there are some parentheses, and from here we understand that we need to do distribution here over others. So negative 3a is distributed over a, negative 3 distributed over b, and negative 3 distributed over negative 5. 4 is distributed over negative 2, and it will be, and b is distributed over a, b, and negative 7. So let me write it down here. Negative 3a times a, and then negative 3a times b, and then negative 3a times negative 5. So let it stay. I will do multiplication later. Let's continue with this. 4 times negative 2a, and 4 times 2b, and then we are done with that. B times a, and b times 3b, and b times negative 7. So I have written them all just like in expanded form. So distribution is done. So I need to operate them. Negative 3a times a. So a times a is here. Since a times a is here, I can write it as a square, and negative 3 will stay in front of it as negative 3a squared. It is negative 3ab, and then negative 3 and minus 5. Negative and negative multiplication is positive, not addition. Be careful. Some of the students are confused about it. 4 times negative 3 is negative 8a. 4 times 2b is 8b. And then ab here. And then 3b square here. As we multiply 3 and a, we multiply here 3b and b as 3b square. B times negative 7 is negative 7b. As we notice here, expressions are coming eventually. So we will just check the like terms. Here, terms are different. We have a squared terms, we have b squared terms, we have ab terms, we have a terms, and we have b terms. They are different expressions, and some of them like terms, some of them not. So when we check a squared, do we have any a square more here? Just when you look at other expressions, no. So since a square is alone, we can write it as 3a squared. Then uh, we check ABs with different color. I will highlight it. So do we have AB term? Yeah, we have here also. It means it is one AB here. It is not mentioned here, but it is one AB. So since single AB and negative 3, as if we are adding, negative 3AB and 1AB, as if we are doing negative 3 plus 1, which is negative 2. So I write here negative 2AB. Then let's see next. Next is, let's see, next is single A. Do we have single A? Yeah, we have here single A. 15A minus 8A. 15A minus 8A is 7, because 15 minus 8 is 7. Then we have B's here. Okay, let me underline them. We have a B here, 8B and minus 7B, which is only single B. And then we have only 3b square here plus 3b square. 3b square. If I rearrange them again, negative 3a square. So, and I can write there 3b square first, as in the question it is mentioned. So, 2ab plus 7a plus b. So when I do 101 matching with this expression, what we want, what we are actually what we are required to do here in this expression. So in front of a square, there must be minus 3a. In this box, I will need to put it minus 3. Here is positive 3 because it is b squared with positive 3. ab is with negative 2. And then a is with 7. And then some students may think that there should not be here nothing b is, since b is there. If you don't write here anything, it will consider it as 0. But here we have single b. But in front of this b there is invisible 1. So we need to write here 1 to make it correct. Yeah, that's so. So we need to fill in these blanks accordingly, and we got the correct answer. Done. And another year they asked almost similar question, which I was checking release items. This is the question here. This is the question here. So in this example, they have just given options also here, which means multiple choice question. So they have given the same question here. As we see here, negative 3a square, 3b square is the answer above. So we can choose this answer among these answer A, B, C, D. So I think this will be the answer for this question. So that's all, as simple as multiplication, addition, combining like terms and applying distributive property. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope to see you soon.